Hi, today we're going to do some smoked chicken while we hang out with my beautiful little dragon princess, Mei Ling. And we're going to show you how we do our smoked chicken since you've seen us smoke chicken quite a few times in previous videos. I prefer, in general, when I'm smoking or barbecuing, is to do the dark meat. I like the chicken quarters. You can either buy the legs and thighs already cut or just dark meat process for you, or when there's a great sale on chicken quarters, you can just trim it yourself. It's a great way to save money. I love it when you can find it for 69 cents a pound. So all you do is just go the cleaver, toss it in, and then you always enjoy the little singing of your favorite daughter. Right, Mei Ling? Yes. And once that's done, there we go. As you can see, we have the fire going, we have our smoke going. So let's pop this open and put the chicken on. And what you can do is, to save a little time, just simply fire up your grill while you're prepping all your food. And remember, this is just about rotating, heat management. If it gets too hot, you can always cut the airflow. As you see, once I open this up, it really started moving. So let's just shut this. And you can see the smoke really coming through. And here we go. Now it's just a matter of rotating everything, and that's that. As you can see, we have a really nice little temperature here. The smoke is coming out of our chimney, and then we have the air being drawn into the firebox. As you can see, we get this nice, beautiful golden brown color going on. Things are really looking good in that first hour. Let's rotate everything. Just like so. So that's sizzle. We just do a generous amount of our chicken rub. You can do a store-bought version, or you can do a homemade version. It's whatever you prefer. We just came up with a little bit of our own. It's a very simple thing. Cayenne pepper, a little salt, a little black pepper, garlic salt, a couple other items. There we go. At that 250-degree temperature that we want to be at. Now we kind of leave it this side up so we get a little bit more of a crispiness on the skin side. And this is also the side that gets most of the spices, so you get a little bit of spice from our rub when doing this. So like I've said, this is really an easy thing to do. It's just about heat management, rotating your meat, and that's it. Very, very simple. And the results are so much worth the wait. And if you notice, I don't do injection on dark meat. And you're getting this beautiful, smoky, golden color coming. Look at that beautiful color coming in. Let's just get these ready to roast. Oh, listen to that. Listen to that. Once again, we're just going to rotate everything over. And this time we're going to flip it. That's it. It's just heat management and rotating your stuff. And we're only doing this about every hour or so. And then we put a little stuff that was in the front, gets rotated to the back. And then we're generous with our rub. And that's it. So we'll come back and check it in another hour or so. So let's take a look at the finished product, and ooh, look at all that smoked chicken goodness. Now we get to do the part that I absolutely love the most, and that is actually eat the food and enjoy the wine with it. So we're going to have a little bit of Syrah with our smoked barbecue chicken tonight and just enjoy life. I'm Ray. Please share us with your friends and invite them to like us on Wild Wine Life, both on Facebook and YouTube. And here's Living the Wild Wine Life.